Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hide your GitHub repository. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically the first thing would be is just to go to your repository and we will be needing to change the visibility settings. And basically to do so, you will need to access first your repository and you can do it from this three-line icon and from there you will find your repositories. Then you can start searching for your repository. Otherwise, here in the dashboard, you can simply click on repositories and you will have all your repositories. Otherwise, you can click on your profile icon and from there you will find repositories here. So basically, let's just access to the repository that we have. Now, I'm just going to click on this one. And basically here we will find settings among all these choices in this menu. So you will have issues, pull requests, actions, projects, etc. And we will be needing to go to settings. So now we will need just to stay in the general settings and then change the visibility of our brand of our repository. So basically here we have the default branch, general, etc. But we want to go to danger zone. So you will need just to go to the bottom and you will access the danger zone. So from here, you will find change repository visibility. Now we will need just to click on change visibility. You click on change to private and basically your repo will be private. No one would have access to it. And you click here. You make sure to confirm and you click, and as you can see, making this repository private would permanently erase the counts of your stars and watchers for your repo. You just click I have read all these and understand the effect, and then you will click and you confirm, and basically that's it. So thank you for watching and see you next time.